Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix audio problem on WhatsApp. First thing you're gonna do, try to restarting your phone. Usually it helps because it may appear some problem, some little not so big problem, and it may be fixed by just restarting your phone. If this doesn't help you, go to your device settings, search for app management, and go to your WhatsApp. You can also just press and hold your WhatsApp application and finding this info button and go to your storage usage and clear your cache. Then first you're gonna do force stop and then go to your storage usage and clear your cache. Then you can go to permissions and make sure that everything here is allowed to WhatsApp, because it also may cause problems, especially photos and videos and microphone. So make sure all of this is allowed, and then if all this doesn't help you, you can just uninstall WhatsApp and install it again. Or if you don't want to do that, first go to your storage usage. You can just clear data, but you will log out from your WhatsApp, and first please back up your chats, because if you didn't, all your chats will be disappeared, or some of them if you use monthly or weekly backup. So first backup, and then you can clear your data or just uninstall and install it again. If still doesn't work, you can always contact WhatsApp and tell them your problem. They will answer it like within 3 or 4 hours maximum. And I hope this video helped you. Please make sure you liked and subscribed. It can be just problem in your phone, and if even WhatsApp didn't help you, then try to check your phone that it has some problems, like in their audio system or microphone. Check it, then try to fix it, or just buy a new phone. I don't know. I hope this video helped you, and I see you in the next one.